Alright, so I was driving around, stopped at the store to get some coffee, decided to check Facebook Marketplace, and somebody listed this Predator 4000 generator. Said it wouldn't run, used it about 4 months ago, and it just wouldn't start. So he listed it for $100. It looks like it's in really good condition. So as I was driving home, I started smelling gas, and I was like, oh, that thing's leaking. Sure enough, leaking from the carburetor. Maybe one of the gaskets or something is bad, and hopefully that's all that's wrong with it. Okay, that was quick. So I took off the air filter. It looks brand spanking new. I noticed the gas was kind of dripping down on this side of the carb. That fuel line completely broke. It's breaking apart. Alright, got it all back on. Turn it on. Check for leaks. Can't do that with one hand. So since it hasn't ran in 4 months, you can see that gas that dripped out is green and it just smells like bad gas. So I'm going to go ahead and take the carb off and give it a clean. Hey, this is why I'm always talking about non-ethanol gas, is because it doesn't turn green and crystallize and cause problems next season. Gonna get that cleaned up. Main needle right here, and you can't see through it, as you can see, so we're gonna use my cleaner here and poke through it and get all that gross stuff out. Alright, carburetor's back on, and I decided to check the shutoff valve to see if it was working properly, and no. I'm gonna have to clean in here and see what happens. Alright, so it's been a couple days. I took the old valve off, took it all apart, cleaned it all out, made sure there was no debris in there. For some reason that still didn't work, so I went ahead and ordered a new shutoff valve and carburetor. It's $15 for the kit, so can't go wrong until you do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and we'll see if that fixed it. Alright, new carb is on, new gas line again, and we have gas in it, so let's see if it's working now. We got it. Alright, back together, we got gas. Choke's on, gonna give it a pull, see if it'll start. Alright, so it still wasn't starting after that. It still needed it because the shutoff valve wasn't working right, and the carb was super gummed up, as you saw. But we had fuel, we had spark, so I took off the valve cover. That'll do it. We're gonna get this push rod out, make sure it's not bent, and then put it back in, adjust the valves, and try again. Alright, it's back together. I forgot to record this part, but basically what happened was all that old gas gummed up that valve, and it was stuck closed. I some carb cleaner, sprayed in there and loosened it all up, adjusted it all, put the cover back on, and now it is going to start. Alright, we got it. Now let's test it out. Alright, so how much do you think this thing will sell for? I have it listed for $250. I spent $100 on it, and then I have $15 in the carburetor. So I'm $115 into it, well, plus a gallon of gas, so $120 into it, and I already have an offer for $200, but I think I'm going to hold out for $250. I think I should get it, no problem. Let me know what it would sell for where you are. Follow for more.